My name is Soumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हैं Wealth Redefined blog. Like other blogs, in this blog we will be analyzing a fund. This fund has been new fund. The name of the fund is LIC Balance Advantage Fund. So they have recently come with an NFO in Balance Advantage. Let me tell you what is exactly the Balance Advantage Fund means. Balance Advantage funds are those funds where, according to the market situation, fund manager himself or herself moves the money from equity to debt and debt to equity, keeping mind of the taxation part. So for example, if a balance advantage fund needs to maintain approximately 65% in equity and 35% in debt, when the market is very high, he might reduce this 65% to 25% equity, and the 35% will remain in debt. So what he will do with the rest of the 40%? He will bank on arbitrage. So arbitrage works like a debt fund, but it actually has an equity taxation. So balance advantage fund has an equity taxation, and that is the reason it always needs to maintain approximately 65% and above in equity. But when the fund manager finds that equity is not required, or he doesn't require to be in the market at a higher level, so he reduces the equity part and he puts arbitrage into it, so that the higher, if market falls, the fund doesn't fall that much. Same way, when he finds that market is cheap and he should invest into equity, he introduces equity into it and moves the arbitrage from it. So basically it is considered to be a market dynamic fund. So it is basically called a dynamic asset allocation fund also. So LIC has come with this kind of NFO, where they follow slightly a different kind of strategy. So the NFO starts from October of 20th and it will end in November of 3rd. So by the time we are recording this video, we are almost close to the ending of the NFO. It is going to be managed by Mr. Jogesh Patil and Mr. Rahul Singh. Jogesh Patil is a equity fund manager and Rahul is a debt fund manager. Both are very renowned fund manager and have a lot of experience. So you hope that this fund they manage quite well. Now you will see that lot of fund houses already have a balance advantage funds. ICICI has a balance advantage, SBI has almost everybody have a balance advantage fund. Then why LIC come with a balance advantage fund even in this scenario? Especially when market is too high and people are expecting a correction and they find equity valuation is quite high, so obviously balance advantage makes sense. But this fund house has come with a newer strategy. So this fund house has come with a forward-driven mathematical model. What is forward-driven mathematical model? Forward-driven mathematical model works on different scenarios. Like they will consider interest rate, they will consider the forward P of the companies, they will see how the P's are moving, price to book values are moving, and the earnings are moving. Based on that thing, they will move from equity to debt and debt to equity. I personally feel that this is a very good option because very few funds follow this forward P model, and which is actually a genuine way to measure the market. Definitely it is not only one way to measure the market, but definitely to measure market one of the major parameters. I think LIC MF has come with this kind of funds at the right time. And this fund can be a good option for the investors who are long-term investors. Long-term investors means the people who has a investment horizon of more than 5 years. And this fund can give them a FD beating return if market supports. I would recommend all investors to talk to their respective investment advisor or financial advisor to decide whether the fund suits his goal or whether the fund suits his risk profile or not. Based on that thing, they might take the exposure into this fund. I think this is a good fund with a good strategy, and this fund can give the satisfaction in terms of returns and risk to the investor who likes to be on the safer side, not a very high risk like a mid cap or small cap investors. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, you can share it with your peers, you can subscribe the channel, and you can give comments to us also if you have any doubt or anything. We will keep on coming with this kind of videos on a regular basis. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.